Hi everybody, welcome back to One to Step. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can enter Tinder promo code. So to get started, let me tell you guys that you cannot enter promo code on Tinder application. We'll have to head over to browser in order to enter a promo code. So head over to your Safari, and if you are using Android device, you can just go ahead and open up your Chrome or any web browser. Now here on the search box, go ahead and type down tinder.com. Once you search that, you'll be appear with the login form. You don't have to log in order to enter your Tinder promo code. What you have to do is scroll all the way down, and in the FAQ section you can see the promo code. Go ahead and tap on it. Now in here you can type down your promo code and submit it, and that's how easily you can enter Tinder promo code. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.